If you face significant challenges during your education, the Educational Access Scheme, EAS, can help you get an offer to university. First, you need to submit your UAC application for undergraduate study. Once you've done that, you'll see a link to the Educational Access Scheme. Or log back into your UAC undergraduate application at any time and click on the EAS tab. Scroll down to the EAS categories of circumstances you can claim. Click on the category that applies to you. Answer all the questions, then click Save. The specific circumstances you have claimed within each category will be displayed on your screen. You can repeat these steps for every type of challenge that applies to you. There is no limit to the number of EAS circumstances you can claim. To submit your EAS application, tick the box to confirm that you will provide any required supporting documents, then click Next. A declaration and authority window will now appear. It explains the terms and conditions for your application. Tick the box to agree to these terms and conditions, then click Submit. There are just a few things left to do. First, download your confirmation of application for your records. Next, click the Download Your Document Package button or the Upload Documents tab and download the document package for each circumstance you've claimed. It will tell you what documents you need to upload to support your claim. When you have your documents ready, click Upload. Select the document you need from your computer, then click the Upload Document button. Repeat these steps until you've uploaded all the required documents. Once that's done, we will assess your application and send you an email to tell you which institutions will consider your circumstances when deciding whether or not to make you an offer. If you're in Year 12, we'll send you this email in December, just before the main round offers for Year 12 applicants. If you're not in Year 12, we'll send you this email within 10 days of submitting your EAS application. Institutions that consider your circumstances have the option to increase your selection rank for their courses, making you more competitive for an offer. Need to ask a question? Send an email to equity@uac.edu.au.